So now she's getting an injection at the SI joint by one of our participants. And I helped her determine where to put it, and we'll do the other side.
There, I can feel it.
Now we're doing the other side. You hit bone?
Yeah.
Don't jam it.
No, I was just feeling to
Okay.
see.
Getting the other side now.
You doing okay?
We got an ovation for that. Somebody, the class really liked it, and you said that was pretty good, right?
Yeah, she did great.
Okay. Now I'm videoing you with the intention of putting you on YouTube, right?
It's fine.
Okay. So somebody can hold this while we test her leg. And just hold. Look at her face. Hold. Look at the smile on her face. Remember that? Look how hard I'm pulling. And let's try this side. Hold. Okay. Nothing on her face. Okay. Is it still recording? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Now you can get up and tell me what you noticed, please. Who did that injection? I did. Congratulations. You did a really good job. Please walk up and down.
Very good job. Wow.
What?
Wow. Very impressed. No pain whenever I'm walking. I've been hurting all day, been trying to move it around.
Great. You're a medical doctor, correct?
I'm a nurse practitioner.
That's fine. That's good. Would you have believed
Better
this?
than a medical doctor.
No, I wouldn't have believed it would have helped that quickly.
Yeah. Have you not seen things today that would be almost impossible to believe?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
And I have your permission to put this up, right?
Of course,
Thank
yes.
you. Did I? And your name is Nicole, nurse
Yes.
practitioner from?
Texas.
Thank you. You came a nice long way. I hope it was worth it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good.
Before the injection, I would not have been able to bend down and get my shoes, and I just was able to pick them up with no problem.
They do less harm.
Quite a bit faster than steroids, huh?
Way faster than steroids. Thank you.
This is Nicole. This is the end of the third day of the workshop. I injected you. Tell the viewer what we did and how you did.
On Friday, so it's been
3 days.
4 days, because today's Monday. We took off
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday, Monday.
Okay, 3 days. Before I was injected, I could barely bend over, lots of pain. After the injection, almost immediately, I could bend over and pick my shoes up. I was a little bit sore. The soreness has decreased. I'm still a little bit sore. I think it's more from doing a lot of sitting in our classes and maybe sitting, I caught 2 or 3 airplanes coming here. So it's been a lot of sitting.
On a scale of 10, if you came in here with 10 points of pain and 0 was absolutely no pain, what would you give me from one single treatment?
One single treatment, I'm a 2.
80%, one treatment.
Correct.
Sustained relief.
Correct.
How does this compare with the kind of medicine you were brought up to do?
There's no comparison. No comparison at all.
Thank you. You're a physician?
I'm a nurse practitioner.
Nurse practitioner.
Mm-hmm.
Basically the same thing. Thank you. And I can continue your post on YouTube, correct?
Of course.
And today you learned about ozone dialysis.
Yes.
Any comments?
I think the most important thing for me is that it wasn't all didactic learning. There's a lot of hands-on. I have watched multiple people get hooked up to the dialysis. I did one myself, and then I had one done on me. So, it's not just sitting in a classroom and learning about something. It's actually doing it, and so that's very, very helpful.
It was very little didactic. In fact, it was less than an hour.
Correct.
All I did was I presented the article that we published.
Correct.
And then the whole rest of the day was doing it.
Yes. Yes.
You refer this to others?
Of course.
And you going to do it in your office?
Without a doubt.
Thank you very much. Thank you for letting me post this.
Thank you.